to my YouTube channel. It's Chilled HD. Chilled HD. And don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe. And share it on Twitter, Instagram. Hit thumbs up, guys. Locked. And guys, look at that paint. It looks like a big key that they paint. To that darkness. Now let's go to the light. I'll show you the sunset. What do we show? It's a kind of sunset. It's orange. Hello. I don't know what vlog I'm going to do now. I just want to vlog. And first, I'll dance. I will dance. I will dance. What kind of dance? I put our grandpa's there. My God, Can you see it? First of all. And guys, comment down below if... Oh no, I don't dance. Okay, I dance. Baby, so dark. Now look at Saida. Look, it's so dark. We're there. Going to the main road. Look, she's drinking a juice. It's a Dalandan. Dalandan, dan, real. I dance, I dance. No. Teacher! There, the teacher, our teacher there. It's Teacher Krish with her boyfriend. Oh, not boyfriend. There's a sunset there. And that's the sunset I already showed you. And this. My vlog is only 4 minutes. There's a baby there. Yeah, I don't know that. Do I look good for now? And that's people I don't know. Hello! Just kidding. it's not. Guys, I start the video when it's 4 o'clock and now it's time for 6 o'clock. So I'm vlogging for two hours, but I get so many times trying. So yeah.
The traffic light is on.
Traffic light. It's not traffic light.
Yes. Oh.
It's street light. Straight light. Traffic light.
You said straight line.
I said street line. You said street light. It's street light. And guys, I think my vlog will end at this time. Thank you for watching. There's Gaia. Yeah. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye.